Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel then welcome to my channel. My name is Hala and I make educational beauty videos. Firstly, sorry for the voiceover. I have a sore throat and oh my god, it feels so awful, and this is so soothing. Anyways, so this video is about how to remove your makeup or skincare after makeup. So let's begin. So the first step is to cleanse your face. This is double cleansing. I am taking an oil-based cleanser. This is from Superdrug, not a big brand. So I'm going to take a big dollop of it, and now I am going to just rub it between my hands and spread it very nicely. This is going to melt your makeup off. These are the makeup melting balms available everywhere. I take the Superdrug one. You can take any that you can get your hands on. So rub it nicely on your face in circular motions, taking all the makeup off. I'm rubbing it everywhere where I have makeup. Remember, this is a very essential step. Like nowadays it's hyped, and I do use sometimes coconut oil as well, but yes, it is good to use a double cleansing method to remove your makeup. See how everything is melting away, and even my mascara, everything, it goes instantly off. I'm going to do a DIY cleansing balm as well, which is really easy to make at home, so you can check out that video as well. So now I am removing the makeup and it is nearly off. And ew, look at my face. Yeah, it grows. So now I'm taking a towel. It is a wet towel, and I'm just going to remove all of that makeup melting balm from my face. And can you see how nicely it is taking off all the makeup and everything? Even from the eye, it is like completely cleaned my eye. See the difference, how nicely the face is clean. So yes, this is the purpose of the double cleansing. We do have to wash it still, but this is the first step in makeup removing. So after this, I am just going to go ahead and wet my face. Now I'm going to use a cleansing gel. Like you can use a face wash, whatever suits you. I'm taking this simple cleansing gel and I'm going to rub it all over my face in like circular motions, and so my face is not that wet, plus it is not that lathering gel as well, and I can take rubbing it on my eyes and looking in the mirror, like looking up. So now I'm going to wash it. After washing it, I've pat dried it. Now I'm spritzing my face with a hydrating mist. You can use rose water as well. I like to just rub it into my face and nicely, massage it in. It really lets the hydration back, because now we are putting the hydration back into our face skin. And now I'm taking the hyaluronic acid. I am just dripping it onto my face. Remember not to let the pipette touch your skin, otherwise there's going to be bacteria inside the bottle. Now rub it nicely onto your skin, pat it, rub it however you feel fitting. I generally just rub it, and don't think I'm putting too much pressure. I'm not. Don't forget your neck. Next is collagen and a vitamin C serum, so I'm just going to apply that as well. These are the things that I normally do at night, when even normally like without makeup, but after makeup these are a must things for me. Vitamin C is really good for removing your skin spots, dark spots, and also for brightening your skin. Collagen is really good for the elasticity. And remember, between every step, wait 5 minutes, like let the skincare soak in, and then go to the next step. I am applying now my moisturizer, and if between every step, I am waiting 5 minutes. I apply my moisturizer under my eyes as well, because I don't apply any kind of any fancy eye cream. I don't apply that. So start rubbing it under your eyes using your ring finger gently in circular motions. I keep closing my eyes because oh my god, this is so soothing. Plus this is 2 a.m. and I was sleepy. So yes, just rub your under eyes in circular motions so that all the hydration can be really seeped into your under eyes, because your under eyes need hydration as well. And the moisturizer I took is Epiderm. As you know, it suits me. You can take any moisturizer that you suits your skin. So keep on doing that until you feel that it has been nicely absorbed into your under eye. I also want to mention here that whatever skincare I'm using here is not like a must for you as well. Like, use whatever you have available. If you don't have any of these serums, okay, just use your moisturizers. Just double cleanse. Double cleansing is a must after makeup, but do put your moisturizer, and that's even enough. Like, nicely massage it in so that all the hydration is back into your face, and that's it. Now I'm taking a gosha stone, like gosha stone or what, I don't know, but I'm taking this and I am going to just try to uplift my face. This is I do this as well, with age you need to keep doing these things to keep your face uplifted, and so that you don't need a facelift. Well, these are the remedies. I hope they work. So this is how I do it. If you want a detailed tutorial, I can do a detailed tutorial, but it's just that I take everything outward and upward. And because I have, remember, I'm doing this after my moisturizer, because my moisturizer is really like kind of oily, and it helps the gosha stone like glide very nicely onto my skin. So this is why I'm doing it after my moisturizer. Otherwise, if you do this, do apply an oil, any face oil or any oil that suits you on your skin, and then go ahead with this gosha stone, because otherwise your skin can get irritated, and or it can get red. So just I'm just doing it outwards and upwards, and this does make a difference. It just uplifts your face instantly, even if it's short-lived results. Like, it's really good, and if you keep doing it every day, you are definitely going to see the results. Also doing my neck. Never forget your neck. Whenever you do your skincare, neck is a vital part of your skincare. Remember. Can you see the difference? One side looks a bit inflated and this looks a bit lifted, doesn't it? See, the jawbone is a bit defined. I mean, I was shocked because there was a difference. So now I've done both sides and I'm really shocked. The jawbone really looks good. I approve. Now I'm taking my retinol. This is retinol in squalene, which is kind of an oil, because retinol alone can actually dry my skin out. Retinol is really good for anti-aging, like you can for wrinkles and all that signs of anti-aging. It is really good. You should really incorporate it in your skin if you definitely have mature skin, this is a sure thing to just add into your skincare. And I like to use this in squalane, as I mentioned, because my skin is dry, but you can just use it as a serum if you don't have the drying issue as well. So yeah, I'm just gently massaging it in under my eyes as well. Don't worry, I'm not putting any pressure anyway, it seems like it, but under my eyes especially, I'm not putting too much pressure. But yes, on my face I am just pulling it upwards, pulling and tugging, just taking it outwards and upwards. On my neck as well, never forget your neck, never. It is an extended part of your skin, so don't forget it. So after this, I am all shiny and now I'm taking a CBD oil, and which I am going to apply under my eyes for that extra hydration. As I said, I don't use any eye creams, like I don't believe in using any eye creams. They're just moisturizers, fancy moisturizers. So I'm just applying, after moisturizer under my eye, I'm taking this CBD oil under my eyes, which is also really good for hydration. Last step is I am taking this Vaseline onto my lips and nicely massaging it in. And there you go, guys, I'm all done, looking all shiny shiny and sparkly and clean. So now I'm going to bed. See you in the next video very, very soon, guys. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay happy, and stay connected. Bye bye, love you.